Please allow me to introduce our Linkrich means model number is TD-12. Actually, this is a useful and very versatile machine and should be in most kitchens around the world. Yes, remember that it doesn't only have to mince meat. It can also be used for vegetables, lentils, chickpeas, and other foods to mince. That can be used for patties or sausage, for example. All parts of the machine are made from stainless steel, so it is very durable and robust. This is also means anti-corrosion and very easy to clean. After the job, you just screw the knee head, take it out, the whole set, all stainless steel, so there will be no lasting. So that's easy to clean. And even you can take out the whole set of the mince head. So that's very convenient. Inside, an all-cooper motor is powered to be 600 volts, and you have no problem in grinding through large volume of meat or vegetables. And you can see it has two gears. One is for mincing. The second on is for meat. What is the reverse gears, so that if anything gets jammed, that's where you can put it in reverse to unblock the unit. The machine comes with both 6 mm and 8 mm meat plate cleavage to meet different requests. The machine is so heavy and robustly constructed so that it stays stable during operation. And the machine also has CE certificate with motor overload protection. So to summarize, this is a versatile and robust machine that can be used to mince not only meat but vegetables and beans. The construction is made of stainless steel and is able to be fully disassembled for easy cleaning.